How you doing, guys? Welcome back. It's LSP. Genesis files for bankruptcy. Are we surprised? Absolutely not. Did we know this was going to happen? Yep. And what's even more important is it hasn't affected Bitcoin at all, which is very, very interesting. So if we go over to the chart, news like that should really be pushing Bitcoin lower, right? This is pretty aggressive news. This is pretty significant. And obviously, DCG has got a lot going on, which is the owner of Genesis. This could get very, very messy very, very quickly. But so far, so good. Already being priced into the market, which means if we continue to stabilize up in this area as I'm pointing to now, it is likely that we see 22, 23, 24, and possibly 25 on that next little push to the upside. Now, I want to be really, really clear. The market is very tentative at the moment. Anything can happen at any moment. NASDAQ is getting absolutely pounded. We've got earnings season, which could also continue to drive tech prices lower. This will spill over into cryptocurrency. It already is. And you can see this on Binance with this drop recently. So be mindful of that. I don't think this is the bottom, but I do think we may see a little bit more upside. So just be careful. And then obviously in terms of everything that's happening with Genesis, there is things that we need to be aware of, some things that we need to make sure that we're following. Obviously the DCG side of things with Grayscale and some of the things that's going on there as well. This is a giant, this is massive, right? So if, for example, DCG goes under, the ripple effect in the market is going to be pretty aggressive, in my opinion. Be mindful, take care, try not to engage when it makes no sense to engage, try to stay on top of these things, but also try to be careful in the sense of using the information like, Crypto Genesis provider goes, sort of declares bankruptcy as a tool to be trading or investing in the markets. Having information like this is one thing, but knowing how to use that information and how it pertains to the market is something completely different. So just be careful, be mindful, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to speaking to you all very, very soon. All the best. Ciao for now.